Welcome to the STUDDS Chrome Elite part replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor mechanism replacement. To open the visor mechanism, rotate the visor screw anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. Now pull out the visor from its mechanism. Repeat the process for the other side of the helmet. Open the visor screw and pull out the visor. Now to remove the visor mechanism. Use a screwdriver to open the screws and gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space. Keep all the parts safe. Reinstall the visor. Place the visor mechanism back in place, then screw it. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until secure. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Mouth vent replacement. Your helmet comes with mouth vent to circulate air. To replace the mouth vent, first pull it down. Use a thin screwdriver, cover it with soft cloth to snap it out. To reinstall, put the vent grill back in its place. Now put the mouth vent back into its channels. Snap it back to its original position. Rear vent replacement. To replace the rear vent, use a thin screwdriver. Cover it with soft cloth to snap it out. Rear vent and vent grill come out. Replace the rear vent with new. To reinstall, put the vent grill back in its place. Place the rear vent back into its space. Center and rear strip replacement. To replace the center strip, open the visor first. Then use a screwdriver and pull out the center strip from the front slot. Then, repeat the same process on top to completely detach the center strip from the helmet. The center strip comes out. Now to replace the rear strip. Use a screwdriver and pull out the rear strip from its channel. Pull it out from its slots one by one as shown in the video. Now pull out the reflector and replace it. To reinstall the strip back again, first place the reflector back in its place. Then gently push the rear strip inside the slots one by one. It will adjust in its slots perfectly in the same way. Then insert the center strip in its slots one by one. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studds.com or get in touch with your nearest STUDDS dealership.